I don't know my field work. I know all about my field work.
Guys, this is my hometown. You can see my mummy, and I'm at my hometown. I'm enjoying too much, guys. You can see now cow, buffalo, and he's the owner of buffalo cow. And now we are going to my other field, other farm. This is our first farm, you can see, and now we are going to our other farm. Bye bye. So guys, we reached to our other farm. You can see this all is tomato, and here my aunt Sagar, my big bro, little bro, and we are planting new seeds, guys. You can see now inside this plastic. Guys, Gujarati vlogger coming now. We both will make vlog, shoot vlog. You can see Gujarati vlogger.
હેલો ગાઈસ, જો તમે હવે આને સુરત થી બોલાવો છે સ્પેશિયલ તુરિયા અને ભીંડો વાવવા. જોઈ શકો છો.
And guys, I'm at my field. We are planting new seeds. You can see that ungrown, like some seeds not मतलब उगे नहीं है, तो हम फिर से replanting कर रहे हैं. And you can see this is my field. This is tomato plants.
તમે જોઈ શકો છો સુરતમાં બહુ સાયા બેતો ને હવે તડકો ખવડાવવાનો છે. જો લાલ ટમેટા રેખો નો થાય ને તો જ કીજો તમે.
Okay guys, bye bye. I have my mummy is डांटिंग me. डांट रही है मम्मी, काम करो, वीडियो शूटिंग बंद करो. बाय बाय. So guys, seeds over. We are going to buy new seeds due to lots of seeds not grown properly. So we are again planting. Guys, we are going to return our field. You can see now we bought soda and we are going back. गाइस, बहुत धूप हो गई है. वी आर रेस्टिंग नाउ. खबर न पड़े गाइस, ये जंजीर खत्म कर देगा. चलो फोन करता था. गाइस, हेलो टमेटा खावा. ये गाइस बहुत हार्ड है खेत में काम करना. बहुत धूप लग रही है. मैं तो काला हो गया हूँ. अरे मैं तो पूरा काला हो गया यार. और मम्मी डांट रही है ऊपर से, काम करो काम करो काम करो. गाइस, सच में जब भी मैं घर पे आता तो बहुत काम रहता है खेत में. You can see now in my background my brother, nephew and all are working so hard because they all don't like study. That's why they all are working so hard. So my grandpa मेरे को बहुत डांट रहे हैं and ज़्यादा हमारा मम्मी. So guys, you can see now here Borewell 35 meter or 35 meter, yes, 35 meter around. We have two borewell. One here you can see, maybe visible or not, I don't know. One have like near to this makan, not makan, OD, we say OD guys. And you can see now my field. Guys, we are here, you can see we are covering plastic. Tomato party, guys. Here going tomato party. Hey,
खाता भी नहीं. जो हमारे वाइन में आता है वो वाइन
So guys, this is our small room, you can see. Hey, in front of our farm, you can see the corner, our farm corner here, a small room. We are take rest. We are resting sometimes here and sleep at night for protect like pund, putre dogs.
कौन है ये लोग?
Guys, it's 2 p.m. o'clock. We are going again to our field. Guys, it's 2 p.m. o'clock and we are going again to our field. बहुत धूप है guys, तड़का लग रहा है एसी से. Guys, what you want to say something in English? ऐसे बड़ा होने चाहिए था, बहुत मजा आता है इंग्लिश में. What you want to say? What you want to say in English something, सागर boy?
तारा कुत्ता रहा देखो गंदे का जू बड़ा गिलास रुपए का.
ઓકે ગાઈસ, ખેતરના માલિકને વિડિયો મોકલવો પડશે, આ બધા કામ કરતા નથી ગાઈસ. ગાઈસ, હિયર ઓલ પીપલ યુ કેન સી નાઉ રેસ્ટિંગ. they all are सब मुझे डांट रहे हैं गाइस बिकॉज आई एम यूजिंग इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज. As I told you, here all people hate English language, guys. I feel so tired, so that's why you can see I'm resting because I like from last we can say 4 to 5 months I haven't worked in my field, so that's why I feel sometimes tired.
अच्छा ए पावड़ा देख रहे हो, लाओ पावड़ा लाओ देख.
Okay, guys, this was the like small vlog of our field work. Do you think like that I don't know how to work in my field, and like you are thinking, maybe you might think like that I don't know my field work because I'm working in a MNC company, so that's why you are thinking like that. But I know all about my field work related to like maybe you seen in my video. I will upload the full video, and yes, we are working from today morning in this my field. You can see this all work we done in a day. And guys, thank you for watching this video. Meet and next video. Bye bye.